Can you go help her get up there, Joelle? Give her a hand. There. Thank you. Woo! Were you holding her hand? Whoa, rockin'. Rock that zebra. Jenna, where are you going? You gonna come down the big slide? Hi, Jenna. Hi. You guys gonna go down the big slide? Ready, set, go. Oh, Joelle, don't push. Don't push, honey. You going on your belly, Jenna? Woo! Okay, move out of the way so Joelle can come down. Or she's going to copy you. Joelle's copying you. Whee! Good job. You going to go again? Give her a boost. There we go. Okay. In through the tunnel. Up to the top. Where are you, Jenna? Hi. You gonna go down the slide? 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Is it fun? Here comes Joelle on her belly. Whoa! Yay! Good job. Good job. Yay! Are you playing with clothespins? Help? Are you saying help? You want mommy to put them together? Okay. Oh, where's Joelle? Coming down the slide? Hello, Joelle. You going on your belly again?